Hey folks, my name is Edward Mann. I'm a locksmith from Fast Eddys Keys Express, and today we're here to show you the operations of a Schlage BE365 keyless entry lock. A lot of folks misunderstand how this thing works when they first get it, and some people even think it's broken when they get it. So we'd like to take the time to show you how it operates. So essentially, when you want to lock it and you're leaving, instead of entering a code, all you have to do is hit the Schlage button at the top and throw the bolt, and it locks itself up. And when you're ready to unlock it, you enter one of the entry codes. You'll hear it click, and you throw it back and it unlocks it. So that's how it operates with the keyless entry keypad. Now we're going to show you how to work the key in it. A lot of people think it's broken because of the way it works, because the key will sit and spin and do nothing. But the truth is, you turn it to a 3 o'clock position, and the whole key in the cylinder slips into the handle deeper. See how it jumps in? So once it's all jumped in, you turn the key and it throws the bolt, and it will unlock it as well. So the key override, when the batteries wear out and you need to get in, the key override is necessary, but you need to understand the operations of it. So basically, that's how the Schlage BE365 works. And I'd like to thank you for joining us today. My name's Edward Mann from Fast Eddys Keys Express.